Into Group G, Lithuania versus Bosnia, and with a superior goal difference of +17 over Greece, Bosnia knew that a win over Lithuania in Kaunas would book their place in a major finals for the first time. Pjanic going close very early on. Arlauskas with the acrobatic save to turn away the free kick from the Roma player. Bosnia were by far the better side. They had by far and away most of the support in Kaunas. Estimated 80% of the crowd that turned up looking for an early breakthrough. Unfortunately, Edin Dzeko could not provide it here, hitting the side netting, having been put through. The Manchester City striker who scored 10 in qualifying. Bosnia looking to take the game to Lithuania all the time. Ibisevic this time with the improvised effort, just lobbing over a difficult chance. The keeper looked beaten, but it was over the crossbar. It was just starting to get a little frustrating, and Lithuania were getting one or two chances of their own. This shot from Mindaugas Kalonas, just reminding Bosnia that they have got some quality themselves. Of course, they came into this particular fixture off the back of a Baltic derby success over Latvia. Just before the half-hour mark, it was Pjanic once again, but once more, Gedrius Arlauskas was equal to it in the Lithuanian goal. Started to think it could be one of those nights for Bosnia. They failed in the playoffs, of course, for the previous World Cup finals and the European Championships. Ibisevic with the deflection after the shot from Sadahovic, nearly giving Bosnia the advantage just before half-time. However, the team talk from Safet Susic obviously worked, because Bosnia upped their game in the second period. And 22 minutes before full-time, the breakthrough. Ibisevic managing to side foot home after the cross from Dzeko, the Stuttgart striker, scoring a 20th international goal. And Ibisevic celebrating, and those huge hordes of travelling supporters joining in as well. It was no more than the away side deserved here. They were knocking on the door throughout the game, and the goal finally coming to settle any nerves. Ibisevic with the goal that turned out to be the winner. The scenes at the end, unparalleled joy. Bosnia through to a major finals for the first time in their history. They've been fantastic in the group stages, and they will fancy their chances of perhaps making the knockout stages, at least in the finals in Brazil. They are a breath of fresh air, certainly, and they managed to beat Lithuania by 1-0 to qualify.